Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what's actually triggering the assistant. Open Settings and go straight to Apps or System Default Apps. You need to find the Google App entry. Check Physical Triggers next, Power Button, Home Key, or Squeeze gestures, because those are common culprits. Once done, note which trigger is active so you can target it. This avoids toggling unrelated permissions and saves time when you move to disabling or reassigning the trigger later. Now you'll turn off the triggers inside the Google app and system defaults. Open the Google app, go to More, then Settings Voice Match and switch off Hey Google. Next, check Settings Apps Default Apps or Assist app and remove Google as the assist provider if you prefer none. Also inspect hardware activation. Disable Squeeze gestures, Power Key Assistant Hold, or accessibility shortcuts that launch Assistant. Make sure to save or confirm changes. These steps stop most accidental activations. To finish, reboot the device so settings apply cleanly. After it restarts, actively test. Try saying the wake phrase and long pressing the power or home key. If the assistant still appears, clear the Google App Cache and, if needed, uninstall updates to revert problematic behavior, then rerun the disable steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if a third-party app is invoking Assistant, temporarily boot into safe mode and observe behavior. That reveals whether an app is causing the pop-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.